Hello, I am Erin for Ease Meditation. If you are new to meditation or you want to check in on something to do with technique, then please visit our How to Meditate section. There is lots of practical information and some personal insights from our members. Find a comfortable position. Usually try for a symmetrical, relaxed position, sitting or lying down. Welcome to the in-flight meditation. This meditation is to help you during a commercial flight. We will be focusing on visualizations that will help you remain calm and relaxed during air travel. And now close your eyes. Air travel can be stressful. Now that you are on the airplane, you have done all that you can do to reach your destination. The rest is in the hands of the pilot and crew. But after all the running around of packing, getting through the security, and making the gate, your body may still be in a stressed out or hypervigilant state. So let's start by closing our eyes and settling into our seat. Place your feet flat on the floor, if you can, and rest your hands in your lap. Sit all the way back in your chair, so that your lower back is supported by the seat, and rest your whole back into the seat. Good. Now close your eyes and let everything else fall away, except your awareness of your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, and exhale slowly through the mouth. In and out. As you inhale, feel your lungs filling up. As you exhale, feel your chest and stomach relax. In and out. Now, on this next exhale, try to release any tension you are feeling in your stomach and chest. Release. Good. Another inhale. And on the exhale, release any tension you feel in your back. Release. Another inhale and another exhale. And release tension in the shoulders and neck. Release. One more deep inhale through the nose. And release any tension in the jaw, forehead, and face. Good. Keep breathing slowly and deeply throughout the meditation. If you ever feel overwhelmed or feel the stress and tension of travel creeping back up, you can always stop what you're doing and center yourself back in through these deep, relaxing breaths. This is true during the meditation, but also during the entire trip. Simply come back to the breath exercise we just did and release tension anywhere you feel you need it. Now, as you sit, begin to pay close attention to your body. Feel the weight of your body in your seat. Notice where your legs touch the chair. Notice where your back touches the chair. Feel your body pressing down and how it fully is supported. You are safe. You are exactly where you need to be. There is nothing you need to do right now. Nowhere else you need to be. There is nothing you can achieve by worrying or stressing. You serve yourself best by taking this time to relax and bringing yourself some peace and mindfulness. Mindfulness is simply the practice of being aware of now. What can you gain from reliving the past? What can you change by worrying about the future? Nothing. So stay here. This is the moment. This is the only moment you can access right now. As you sit here, fully supported and completely safe, see how much you can focus on your body in the present moment. Feel any sensations on your skin. Notice the clothing that touches it. Notice any air moving past. Feel your body from your feet to your head. Notice the bend in your joints. Notice how your stomach expands with your breath. Remember those deep, full breaths and really let it go. Notice how your hands are positioned. Notice anything there is to be noticed. If your attention drifts and your mind turns to the future, to your destination, to your luggage, to what you will do when you get home, simply recognize that. There is no need to be upset or concerned. This is natural. But simply allow your awareness to shift from the thought to notice your mind having the thought. And this will help bring you back into the present moment. This is the practice of mindfulness. It is not about being perfect in your ability to empty your mind or sit silently for hours upon end. It's simply the ability to become more aware of your thoughts as you have them. And remember, no matter where you are in meditation, if you feel overwhelmed or off track, you can always redirect your attention to the breath to help you get back to where you want to be. Now let's focus once again on the weight of your body in the chair. Notice your feet pressing into the floor and the floor pressing back, supporting you. Notice the same about the chair, how it supports your legs and back. Notice that you are steady and safe. This is another practice you can come back to if you find yourself feeling fear or uncertainty about being in flight. Next, let's move our body's attention to a single tiny detail. Let's choose the feeling of the bridge of your nose. Bring all of your attention there, to the bridge of your nose. Feel the skin there. Feel any sensations. If there are no sensations, then focus on that. Can you do it? Can you allow something so small to fill your whole mind, your whole attention? Stay here for just a moment, directing your focus in this way. Still breathing deeply and fully. Good. Now come back to the sound of my voice and to your breath. Center your attention back on your breath. Now feel your body again, noticing that you are still very grounded and very safe. Now you will begin to mindfully direct your own attention. Choose another small detail of your body, the pad of your left thumb or the back of your right knee, or your lower lip, and draw your attention down so that your whole focus is on that place. Feel any and all sensations there. Allow those sensations to fill your thoughts. Keep in mind that any absence of sensation is just as worthy of attention as the presence of a sensation. Do this for as long as you can, and then come back to your breath. Come back to the grounded feeling of pressing into your seat. Let the feeling of your breath and the grounded feeling of your body in your seat remind you that you are safe and secure. Then begin again with a new area to focus on. Do this for the remainder of the flight or as long as you like. You can continue on in this way for another 2 minutes or 2 hours. It's all up to you. This is your meditation. When you are ready to come out of the meditation, ground yourself in your seat and open your eyes again.